So what we're showing here is the world's first and only technology to support uncompressed audio-video transmission, especially Ultra HD, over off-the-shelf Ethernet switches. If you were to walk around the show floor, any kind of signal distribution that's done with uncompressed video is done using custom audio-video switches, which are typically about 5 to 10 times the price of an off-the-shelf Ethernet switch. The reason no one has used off-the-shelf Ethernet switches so far in the industry to do uncompressed audio-video switching is because of issues with latency, issues with bandwidth, issues with gen locking, etc., etc. And Aptovision has solved that problem. So what you see here, again, is the world's first technology to be able to show uncompressed audio-video over Ethernet switches. The setup we have here is 7 different sources. There's 4 media players, 2 other media players, and a 4K display, all going into a BlueRiver NT transmitter set. This transmitter converts all that video into a fiber optic channel that can be routed through an off-the-shelf Ethernet switch. This switch is from Extreme Networks, but you can use any switch that's available off the shelf. So the 4 screens you see here are showing the same content that's being routed through an Ethernet switch, and as you can see, all 4 screens are completely gen locked. There's no latency or difference in when the frames are refreshed amongst these 4 displays, and that's truly unique considering that it's going over an Ethernet switch. Some other advantages of going through an Ethernet switch compared to a custom AV matrix switch is that a 48-port switch such as this can fit into a 2U rack mount chassis compared to a custom AV switch, which will require at least 4 to 6U to have the same level of chassis. Overall, the savings in size is about 60%, and at an installation level, you can save roughly 50 to 60% in the cost of the overall system with a solution based on off-the-shelf Ethernet switches.